how to fix Zoom stuck on loading screen. So to fix the Zoom app stuck on the loading screen, you can start by first closing and reopening the app. You see, when you open your Zoom Workplace app and then it's stuck on a loading screen, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then hold to open your recent apps, then swipe the Zoom app away to completely close it and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the apps and data on your Android device and then upload the app on your iOS device. Now on your iOS device, go to settings, then tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. Now find the Zoom app from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type Zoom. Now tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, you will see the reinstall app button here. Tap on it to reinstall the Zoom app to your device. Now the next thing what you can do is check for the updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Zoom app, and if you see an update option available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.